Next up is Jiaqi. I believe I already mentioned as well that he's really been with it from the beginning, the father of the technology. Take it away, Jiaqi.
I worked my postdoctoral research in Tokyo University. My project was a photothermal-induced reflective index detector. I moved to the University of Waterloo, and basically I try to find some separation method that can have a very big reflective index gradient. I found only two. One is called ITP, another one is CIEF, is temporary Isoelectric Focusing. But later I found that because the CIEF is after focusing, everything is fixed. So in this way, I started that imaging detection for the CIEF. We published actually more than 20 papers, and someone tried to commercialize it. The gentleman's name is Arthur Watson. He started the company in 1995 called Convergent Bioscience. Once I joined the company, I immediately started to build the test bed. In 1998, we had the several first prototype. This is the first unit called iCE 280. The first customer is Coulter Pharmaceutical. They are working on an antibody, monoclonal antibody, but this monoclonal antibodies had very poor resolution on the exchange chromatography. But in my demo, we showed a very stable and really good resolution. Because of that, we had the first order, and that is evolution from the concept to a real instrument. We take like about 3 years.
I joined Convergent in July 2005. The iCE technology looked to be disruptive. It was an opportunity to develop and implement customer-centric strategic and operational plans as part of a great team that included Jiaqi and others. Application support has been critical to the success of iCE. Jiaqi himself has run more than 3,000 customer samples, many at customer sites globally, with a success rate of about 99%. The acquisition of Convergent by Protein Simple and then by Bio-Techne increased iCE credibility and our access to resources. Extensive R&D and software resources led to the development of Maurice in 2016 and Maurice Flex in 2022.
For the Maurice, one of the two big improvement I'm really excited is first is UV fluorescence imaging detection because it's enhanced greatly the sensitivity of the detection. And so that is actually open a very wide area for the application of the instrument. Another one, of course, is the Flex. That is based on icIEF, the sample fractionation based on the icIEF. Exchange chromatography still has a problem to directly hook to the mass spectrometer, but for us is because they do the fraction collection, but we can also do the fraction collection. I think that is open a really big potential for that instrument. It is an honor to receive that CE Farm Award for my lifetime achievement in the CE. Before the award to me, they didn't give the award to any scientist from the CE vendors because they consider that is your job, right? So, but I think the first is, of course, the recognition of 20 years of my work in this field. Another thing is also that for the companies, Convergent, Protein Simple, Bio-Techne, means as a vendor, we can still have a significant contribute to the progress of CE technology.
I mean, one of the things that we've accomplished, and we really didn't set out to do it, but in fact we have, is that the iCE gave credibility to CE technology in general. And that's something that we don't ever talk about but it's a huge accomplishment. And CE in general has benefited from it.